In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up price alerts on Kucoin, a process that will only take about 5 minutes. Price alerts can be a powerful tool for cryptocurrency traders, giving you critical updates without the need to constantly monitor the market. Let's dive into it. First, head over to the Kucoin website. Kucoin is a popular crypto exchange that offers a variety of features for traders of all levels. Once you're on the site, you'll want to log into your account. If you don't have one, you'll need to create it. But today, we're focusing on setting alerts. So click on the Login button at the top right corner and enter your credentials. Once logged in, you'll find yourself at the Kucoin homepage. It's here that you'll be navigating through the various options available to traders. The next step is to proceed to the Trade section. Clicking this will present you with multiple trading options. For setting a price alert, you'll select Spot Trading. Spot trading allows you to buy and sell cryptocurrencies for immediate settlement. Perfect for our task today because it uses real-time pricing. Now that you're in the spot trading interface, look towards the upper area of the page where you can find the Settings button. This button is key because it houses various customization options for your trading experience, including alerts and notifications. In the Settings menu, locate and click on Market Alert. This section is specifically designed for managing alerts, including both existing and new ones. Once inside the Market Alert section, you'll see an Add Alert button. Clicking this will allow you to set specific price goals and will notify you when they're reached. Now, as you click on Add Alert, you'll enter a setup page. Here, you can specify which cryptocurrency you want to monitor. Select your preferred crypto and type in the price point at which you want to be alerted. Make sure the alert conditions are set to something meaningful for your trading strategy, whether that's a price spike, drop, or reaching a certain level. After setting your parameters, confirm your selections. Kucoin will now keep an eye on the market for you, and you'll receive updates whenever your specified price conditions are met. This not only saves you time, but also ensures you never miss an opportunity in the constantly fluctuating market. So, there you have it. You've successfully set up a price alert on Kucoin. Remember, these alerts can be adjusted or removed at any time in the Market Alert section. Keep in mind that timely alerts can be crucial in making informed trading decisions, so set them according to your trading goals and strategies. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and that it empowers you to make more informed trading decisions. Happy trading, and see you in the next video.